that the world's richest continent is also the most exploited continent in the world. Listen to this. 54 recognized countries in Africa. It produces 7 to 9% of the global oil production, about 80 to 90% of the world's platinum supply, about 80 to 90% of the world's cobalt supply. And Africa is also the world's largest regional gold producer, accounting for some 27% of gold production in the year 2022. It holds about 69% of the world's manganese supplies, 35% of the world's uranium, 60% of global diamond value, and over 874 million hectares of agricultural land, which is 60% of the world's uncultivated arable land. Africa's got a lot of natural gas, with about 10% of the global copper output coming from Africa. It holds over 75% of the world's phosphorus rock reserves, and Tanzania could hold up to 54 billion cubic feet of helium, still underdeveloped. Africa is geographically key, with major sea routes and strategic military interest for Europe, America, China, and Russia.